The Rural PEAD does not want to be restricted to rural communities. The Rural PEAD also wants to reach out to suburban. There are also problems there. Problems that contribute to the underdevelopment of populations. Specifically, we are talking about solid waste. Solid waste is still a major problem for the Angolan society. Fundamentally, in the great metropolis of Angola, the reflection of the Rural PEAD has also emerged in what is the problem of solid waste in these suburban areas. In the same way, we draw the attention of the community in general to these aspects that are linked to the underdevelopment of the populations. This problem of solid waste is one of the aspects that should really be looked at. It must be reflected in the sense of giving better housing conditions, better living conditions, above all, environmental issues. We know that solid waste is a problem for the environment, and consequently there are problems for human health. Within the set of Rural PEAD, we reflect on this solution of the problem. What penalize suburban communities? We are talking about the city of Luanda and other cities of Angola, where this problem is active. Solid waste is considered one of the biggest problems for the suburban society of Angola, a serious problem. Several solutions have been studied to minimize this problem, but it does not exist yet, nothing concrete. In the work philosophy of Rural PEAD, we call on our inventors and innovators, as well as any intellectual community, to help find solutions to minimize this problem. We ask partners who really can help. We ask the businessmen, so that together we can find ways to minimize the problem of solid waste. That is, until now, the great public health problem of our suburban communities in Angola. We intend, with the support we can receive, to develop technologies that can intervene in this process, so that problems are minimized. Rural PEAD will combine synergies, joint efforts. Call the intellectual community for this effort to be an instrument to contribute to solving the problem of solid waste in the country. We are in the stage of idealization and preparation for when receiving the support of the other actors. We can find appropriate mechanisms to minimize the problems that affect the environment and consequently the Angolan public health, as I said previously.